In today's video, I'll show you how to use the PayPal digital wallet in 2025. This guide will help you set up your wallet, manage your money, and make secure transactions right from your phone. Let's get started. As we move further into the digital age, managing finances on your smartphone has never been easier or more convenient, and PayPal's digital wallet is a fantastic tool to have in your financial arsenal. First, to get started, you'll need to head to the PayPal website. This is where you'll find all the resources you need to manage your mobile wallet and access a wide range of PayPal services. Simply open your web browser and navigate to the official PayPal website. Once you're there, you'll notice that the site is intuitively designed to guide you right where you need to go. If you're on a mobile device, the website may redirect you to download their app for a more streamlined experience. Now, if you don't have the app installed yet, this is your next step. Click on the Get the App link found on PayPal's website. This will take you to the download page for the PayPal app. Whether you're using an iOS or Android device, the process is straightforward. Once you're on the appropriate App Store page, proceed to download and install the app. Having the PayPal app on your phone gives you access to transactions anytime and anywhere, making it incredibly useful, especially if you're often on the move. After the app is installed, you'll need to set up your wallet. Open the app and you will be greeted by a welcome screen prompting you to either log in or sign up. If you already have a PayPal account, you can simply log in with your credentials. In case you're new to PayPal, follow the steps to create an account. You will need to provide some personal details like your email address and password to set up your account securely. Once logged in, you will see the option to set up your wallet. This is where the magic really happens. In your digital wallet, you can add your bank accounts, credit or debit cards, and even link other financial services. This allows you to keep all your financial information organized in one place. Just follow the prompts to add your payment methods and remember to verify any linked accounts to ensure everything runs smoothly. The verification process is critical to maintain security and streamline your transaction processes on PayPal. Having your wallet set up means future transactions will be seamless and you'll be able to pay for services, send money to friends, and manage your funds with just a few taps. PayPal allows you to conduct business safely and securely as transactions are protected. You can also explore additional features like sending invoices, tracking payments, and accessing your transaction history directly through the app. By following these steps, you're now ready to explore the various features of the PayPal digital wallet and experience a whole new level of convenience in financial management. Don't forget to ensure all your information is up to date and take advantage of customer support if you run into any issues. And that's how you can use the PayPal digital wallet in 2025. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more helpful guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.